Today is July 4th and it's America Day, 9 in the morning. So nice outside. So heat warning today, 44 degrees, feels like 44 around 2 p.m. Oh, I love the water. It looks cleaner than last night. Oh, it's getting foggy, hold on. It's because I'm coming from AC and it's hot outside. So pretty here. It's nice and sunny. Water looks really nice. It's beautiful. All the palm trees. Can't wait for the fireworks tonight. Yeah, so we're gonna go today and check out what activities they do here for July 4th. Maybe go to a beach and walk around and see some shops. But yeah, kids are still sleeping. I'm gonna wake them up soon so we can start the day. And yeah, it looks beautiful. Actually, the pool looks cleaner. I think yesterday it was really late. Let's see how it feels. Let me take my shoes on. It feels really nice. It's not cold at all, it's so hot. Okay, so we'll see you later. Oh, it has no buggies. Good morning, Layla. Say hi. Oh, I like this blind.
I think I have to get to that Flagler's Avenue park early because there's
Hard to
be
park.
really busy here.
Okay.
But spend the whole day there. We've got to make sure we stay cool.
Yeah, it's 44 degrees.
Fireworks here instead of stay there and just stay there during the day because there's nothing to do during here, or we can stay out there for fireworks. We can decide that. Daytona Beach I hear is not as good, so we'll go up to this other beach.
This is our breakfast for July 4th. Sausage, boiled eggs, toast, pineapples,
Or watermelon.
or watermelon. Coffee, ready, and mine's boiling. I'm having this coffee with sugar and cream.
Flag.
So we're going to New SMYRNA. What is that bar? Oh, parking. New SMYRNA Beach.
Yeah. And Flagler Ave is supposed to be pretty busy. Good place to see.
America Day.
Well, let's see what's going on.
Okay.
Your parking's supposed to be tough.
SMYRNA, there's parking. Keep your eyes open, guys, here. Okay, which way? Everybody's going that way, so let's see where we parked. By the Hamptons Inn, Hilton, okay? We parked. Ooh, so bright. It's so hot. It's hot, yes. Pet food, dog toys. I think we need to get something for Kona. Same.
Save the place. My phone is not able to.
Yeah, which place?
Like, drop a pin here.
We got Kona something. You wanna see? Here.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Let's see. Is it good?
She's gonna love it.
Oh no, with her fur, yeah, it'll be good.
You see? Mommy's girl.
Yeah, it might come off of her. We'll see.
The small one was quite tight. It was
Small
only
one was too
fitting
tight,
on
right?
her wrist, the lady's wrist, because I asked her. So I can always put it around her necklace, but I love that it says Mommy's girl. So cute. Zeno's homemade ice cream, world's most famous taffy.
The small 16 ounces and the largest 20 ounces. It's $1 difference.
Let's see your drink, there you go.
Thank you.
What did you get? Spinach
The green.
Good, how are you?
and beach bum. I like beach bum. It sounds good.
Let's go.
Flagler Avenue is right there. We are by Flagler's Avenue. Look at the waves. Rip current. They actually had a warning. Rip current warning this morning. Yeah. At this beach? This is a one too. Okay.
I can't even see.
Any shark warnings? This is so cool. Look, they have the new SMYRNA beach police. Oh, look, there's a red flag, means the water is closed to public. No, high hazard. Oh, Dela, this is like the one we watch on YouTube. Australia one, but that dangerous beach one, you know?
Yeah.
It's actually worse. Too far out.
Is it those guys over there?
Yeah.
You guys are too far out. Make your way back in the shore at this time.
They drive regular cars on the beach. Maybe Dara could have parked here.
That's what I was thinking.
He could have driven the car and just parked by a umbrella place. So we went to have the kids change in their bathing suits now, play more in the water. Water is very warm actually. Oh, so nice and warm. Hi!
Hi.
We have to be careful because there's rip currents today. Further down there. How deep is this? Let's see, Dayla, if you stand. So I can see if I go and travel all the way to the side there. I want to see how deep it goes. Yeah, just go slow. Okay. It goes deeper? That's it? Okay, maybe I'll stay here then.
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, no, no. It's so warm.
It is very warm. Boys are just sitting there. Wow, the waves are really strong. They have change rooms too, which are behind the red house with the blue roof. The change rooms are there. It says to be careful to go together. Don't let your girls unattended. Always be together because there could be some strange people. We didn't see any.
South of the Lifeguard Tower. You guys are too far out. Make your way back in the shore.
Wow, they're really good here. They see everything. Hi Dayla, you having fun?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. It says it's 44 degrees. It says no activity outside at all.
Is this thing recording?
Yeah?
Box jumps.
Good. She made it across the riptide. She made it here. Congratulations.
What a journey it's been.
She survived. And there was a current that almost took her away.
I want to see a shark.
I want to go just here. Now I'm safe. There's no way she's coming this far out. Soon she should be panicking.
I have
She
one more
didn't
set of
notice.
sprints.
All right. One more set. We'll get you going for
Tiring.
It is. Yes.
I'll go now. You taping?
I'm taping.
I'll go now then.
I've been continually reporting.
What?
I've been continually reporting. So I'm gonna go now.
Just wait. Just relax till there's nobody there.
If this weren't the shark attack capital, then maybe we'd go a little closer. But I like my limbs. Even though there's it's almost like a remote chance of like winning the lotto that you get bit, but I don't know. Just a little bit freaky. All right, so Kenton is doing some sprints while he's kind of on vacation, but he kind of needs to do some plyometrics and some sprints because he's training for this coming season. So, but I bet you he's getting lectured. You can't be running because it's too hot. It's not good for your heart and the heat. Come on, David Hasselhoff was running on the beach, right? If he can run like crazy, so he can. Those guys are running to the beach.
What's can a tsunami come?
If we see one, then we have to run, guys. We have the bank.
It says grab your beer and run.
Yeah.
See, he's sprinting. Ooh! He's a little kid and he's run right into the water. All right, that's about it for now. I went to the danger zone where it was very risky.
That's so risky. Look at that guy, how far he is. That's the
No, there's those guys over there.
There's one right there.
There's north of the lifeguard tower.
Right here.
You guys are too far out. Make your way back in the shore at this time.
He's looking for fishes, you see? He's so cute.
Hello.
See, you can walk here. You can walk on the ocean. There's this big portion here where you can just walk and stand. And then here is more the dangerous one. How far they're going, and I said not to go in. They're going further and further now. See? They never listen. Yeah.
Once again, all barriers must remain waist deep in the water at all times.
It's warm?
Warm in there. Very warm.
I'm happy you didn't lose your glasses. I was worried you're gonna lose your glasses. Found another cool seashell. Look how big it is. You see the tentacle line, maybe?
Yeah, dead though. No, even if it's dead, it would still hurt. That's what happened to me and Leo. I step on it, I dare you.
Daddy got stung. This is the wild side beachwear. Eva got some nice bracelets. The rest are in her backpack. And I got a nice sweater. And I'll show the sweater back. Oh, that's my new sweater. And the back is so nice. Show that. Wow. Love it. And you got a SPF shirt.
Yeah, I got a hoodie.
Look pretty.
Put it in.
So nice. Are you gonna wear it?
I might wear it.
Stay this way, Dana. There's many cars. Stay on this side. Yeah. So nice. It feels so light. As a hoodie. Perfect to protect your head too. Yeah, SPF 50. Very nice.
Yeah. It's so hot. Hey, these are the jewelry she got from the thrift store. So it's a nice dolphin bracelet. Another one with
Sandals.
palm trees,
Flamingos.
yeah,
Dolphin. Seashell. And crocodile.
and the next one,
30 bucks.
and a turtle. I love this one. Looks like Pandora. Pretty.
And then I also got
Oh, the earrings. Wow. You want to wear them? Earrings. So pretty. Look at that. They're so colorful. Oh my god, I love those. Oh.
I told you to get it there. You could borrow it.
Eating because she's hungry. Hot dog, fries. Let's see. And then you got nachos. Nachos?
Yeah, I got nachos, just a nacho salad.
That looks good. And Kenton ate his hot dog.
You already ate his hot dog?
Yeah. So we cover our coat because there's a fly coming around. A cup, protected from flies. And we just heard the ambulance that a guy got bit by a shark. His foot got bit by a shark. That's scary. That's freaky. We're safe. We're all good. We're all dead from the heat. Right, Dela? You got a nice hat, too. You're totally American now. It's nice. I'm happy we're here on July 4th. Look at that nice car, too. Let's go. So we left that area now.
And tomorrow, I feel like you guys don't want to do a trip. Are you want to relax?
Probably. We can relax at the pool so they can stay on our pool, maybe. So we're going to get Dela some ice cream. What is it called? Frozen? Oh, let's see the menu. Frozen gold. Wow, I love the menu. It's so colorful. Which kind is it?
Mint chocolate chip.
Which one? Mint chocolate chip. Look, they have Italian ice.
Get a cookie ice cream in a cup, please. And what's that? Small?
How big is it small?
Just one scoop.
It's like a small.
About the size of my fist.
That's pretty big. Okay, so is that good enough for you? Okay, just a small piece.
Did you get any toppings?
Any toppings on top?
Mini marshmallows, please.
Wow, this looks, you know what it looks like? Like my Garlon powder beads. You know those powder beads?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Here.
$2.48 or something. This is way better deal than you get on the slushies on the
Any
on the
slushies
beach.
or ice creams. It's
Yeah,
the best deal.
you get like
And it's
4 of
way
these.
bigger. It's way bigger.
And this is Grande Caramel Crunch Frappuccino. How much was it? $6 American?
Yeah,
Almost 7, almost 7.
it's like $6.80 or something.
And you, Dela?
Hi.
Which one did you get? Are you done eating? Your ice cream, was it good?
Yeah.
How much was your ice cream? $7?
Something,
$5.99.
something like that, plus
Yeah.
toppings.
Plus topping, yeah.
So $6.99.
So we're back from celebrating 4th of July, and I want to show you what I got for Kona. So Kona got this nice bandana that says Mommy's Girl. So cute. And I like it that it has this clip. I don't know if it's too big for her. It's medium. This was $10.99 from a store on that street where we went to celebrate July 4th. But I think it's okay if her hair grows. If not, I can tie it on her necklace. I think it's so cute. So yeah, that's what Kona got today. And we're getting ready to go to the pool out here. Curtis is cleaning out the pool. Let's see. The pool boy is cleaning out the pool. Are you our pool boy?
Yeah, I'm the pool boy.
Is it dirtier than yesterday? Dela, what do you think? Or it looks a little bit better? It looks better, yeah. It looks better. You have to go at the top usually.
That?
Yeah, at the top like that. It's tough to have a pool and own a pool, you know?
Maybe you go like this, you go like...
Yeah. We have a shower out here.
Okay, that's enough of that cold water.
Okay, going into the pool. Hey Dela, go into the pool with Dada.
Well, let's just avoid the messy one.
Look how deep it is, so it comes up to your chest. That means it comes up to my... That gets deeper?
I just need to tread water for some energy.
I can't touch it all.
What's that?
I can't touch it all.
Huh?
Gotta use the pool.
Yeah.
Guys, you took out the pool robot while we're here.
The pool robot? No, it needs to be there so that it cleans it at night, I think.
I don't know if he runs automatically.
Well, last night it was very dirty, the pool.
Well, guess what? I just cleaned it.
And oops, are you okay? And this morning it was pretty clean, so...
Yeah, I can't reach it.
You can't reach there? So you can jump there?
Well, I can reach it. Yep, just barely. Toes.
Yeah. Hi! Nice sunglasses.
Thanks.
I'm gonna put the cell phone on the table. Oh, look at your back from the sand.
Hey, put that down there. Come on in. It's fine.
Ooh.
It feels so much nicer because there's nothing here. There's no bugs.
You could do a tread contest here. But it's not cool.
I can try over here. Look, Mom.
Yeah.
Let's go!
We can't see them though, it's still light outside.
Okay, I'm coming over that side.
I'll come with
The train?
I've been held back. Yeah, no.
No, I'm gonna right.
Grip. Tickle, tickle, tickle then.
Oh.
What? Ow! No. Whoa!
No, what you just doing?
Come on.
Going out to eat.
So it's not like a fancy restaurant, it's like kind of like pub grub.
That's good. Okay,
Nobody's
so
here,
we're
we
not
feel like
eating.
we should be.
we're not eating at McKenna's place. We changed our mind.
I think everyone's out like at the
Celebrating.
food trucks. Maybe we should head out there, hey?
Yeah.
Let's change our plan.
But McKenna's was closed too.
I don't know if it's closed.
It looks
It looks
closed.
like there's nobody's doing it, so.
Parking lot's empty.
This is City Hall.
Port Orange, city of Port Orange. So we're going to celebrate the 4th of July here. We have bouncy castles, food trucks. Whoa, what's that smell? I think it's the fireworks. They have a lake. Whoa. So much fun. On the ice. Fireworks are by a soccer field?
This is not what we do in Canada.
Yeah, I know. Good job, Kenton. You found them. Look, they're looking up.
fried Oreos. I might get one.
What is it?
Deep fried Oreos.
Fried Oreos. But the lineups are very, very big. Over there they have farm animals. Little piggies.
I want to put the piggies so bad.
Okay.
Franklin.
I told them, I said, I promise you.
So cute. Oh, so adorable. Oh, I have no more battery. Let's quickly tape this. Aww. He's so cute.
I feel his nose.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so soft.
Let's see. Aww.
Mommy and daddy though, and they have babies. Alright, come on.
So cute. What about the turtle? Where is its head?
Look, he's a baby. He has little horns.
Yeah. Titty.
So happy.
Oh, you're so cute. Watch out. He's gonna run. What about this, guys?
Oh, you're a good boy.
Aww. Want a picture with him too? 1, 2, 3. Oh, one more so I can get his head too. 1, 2, 3. Oh, good job.
Hi, guys.
Bye, piggies.
Let's get something from here. You got your popsicle?
No, thank you.
You got a nice popsicle, one American candy.
I'm gonna get yours.
Getting darker. Oh no.
Fourth of July.
Yeah. We're at Chili's now after the fireworks.
Alfredo pasta and fries.
Okay. Very nice. Yes,
Quesadillas, bacon ranch, quesadillas.
Cajun chicken pasta.
Asian chicken
Alfredo.
Alfredo, and I got shrimp chicken Alfredo with garlic bread. Okay, let's